Hello everyone and welcome to the Hero Interviews here at Future Banking Summit. I am with Adam Glodek, Head of Banking GFT Technologies. Hello and welcome at the Hero Interviews.
Hello.
Congratulations for the discussion on the panel. It was very interesting and I would like to start our discussion about you sharing proven strategies and technologies to minimize disruption and accelerate migration during core system modernization projects. We mentioned core, and it's very difficult and important to understand all those aspects.
Yes, it is difficult, and actually there is nothing such a thing like one size fits all, and each bank has to develop its own strategies. What we see in the past, how the banks approach it, are very different strategy, and we have like three different kind of strategies. One is a big bang migrations, and exactly this is what Florian told today, that it can happen if you are well prepared. This is what we do also in Asia with HD Bank. There is also strategy just to build another new brand, not to touch the old legacy core systems, just forget about it. And this is exactly what we did in Romania with Salt Bank, where they built the Bank of Transylvania as the owner of the Salt, build a new brand, totally new app, because we know that actually building new bank is easy nowadays. Modernization the existing one, this is the challenge. So then we go to the first strategies, and this is exactly what we're doing right now at MBH in Hungary, where we are doing this iterative modernization approach. When you have this approach like thinking about the pizza and the pepperoni, that instead of eating the pizza outside of layers, yes, and the pizza is just a visualization of the core banking system, that actually there's a lot of pepperoni, a lot of system inside the core and some services outside of the core. So what we suggest at GFT, we are just taking part of the code, like the one product, unsecured cash loan in MBH case, and then build the platform, build all the services around this product so that the next can be implemented very easily.
Thank you very much for the example with the pizza. It helps us understand better, and we are very proud of our first Romanian neobank, Salt. It was very interesting to see that we have such a bank here in Romania. Going with the second questions. Okay, we have the pizza. What lessons has GFT learned from these core modernization projects with Tier 1 global banks, particularly regarding automation and of course AI integration?
AI is very important at the moment, but this is just a tool. So actually you need to know how to use this tool. So we do have one important lessons, that actually all AI adoptions needs the framework, needs the ambassadors, and also needs the proper metrics. And here I can provide the example of Bradesco, and Bradesco is the biggest insurance company in Latin America, 100 million customers, but it is also the bank of over 30 million of clients in Latin America. So actually, when we started to implement our GFT Wings tool in Bradesco, what we saw that actually what has happened, that efficiency of the developers went down by 25% during the first 3 months. This was the adoption phase. And Bradesco is very obsessed with the metrics, and they measure the efficiency of developers on a sprint-by-sprint basis. And actually what we saw in the teams that actually started to use AI, started to use efficiently, knowing how to use the tool, this total efficiency increased by 40%, where the remaining teams remain on the same level. And this program is very broad. The AI provided by GFT is used by over 200 employees, or 20 squads, hundreds of different applications, and it takes time to start to work.
Adam, thank you very much for our discussion and for your presence here at the Future Banking Summit. It was a pleasure.
Thank you.